Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to lock apps on iPhone. We're going to use screen time with a different twist to lock apps with a passcode. This can be a different passcode from your iPhone's passcode, thus making it impossible for people who know your passcode to access certain apps. While the screen time feature was introduced with a different purpose in mind, this workaround still functions really well for our needs. Go to Settings, Screen Time, App Limits, and turn it on if you're not using app limits already. Here, tap Add Limit, find the app that you're looking for and tap Next. Here, choose 1 minute and tap Add. Now once you've used the app for 1 minute throughout the day, it'll go into passcode lock. Now to enable a passcode, tap on Use Time Passcode in Screen Time. Input the passcode and a recovery iCloud account and you're set. Now every time you launch the app, it'll ask you if you want to use it, for which you'll need to input the passcode, and then specify the time limit after which it'll go into a passcode lock again. That's it. It's a bit of a workaround, but it'll help you take your privacy up another notch. Now people who have access to your phone will still be unable to wander into apps that you want to be kept private. What's your favorite type of password?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.